Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, October the 3rd, 2025. The KSE-100 index made another record high today, but the day's red candle shows, just as we expected, that investors might be getting cautious even as the index climbs. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we are, a 500 plus point jump for the day. Market is still firmly bullish, well above all important moving averages, good volume, strong momentum, much even stronger momentum on the MACD, and very strong trend in the ADX. However, it is important to notice a few things. Number one, despite the gain today, the candle was red, which shows that investor fatigue might be starting to set in. Also, it's very important to look at the overstretched, red hot, overbought momentum levels. RSI at 88, strong momentum, but grossly overstretched, just calling for a pullback. Same is true for ADX. At 62, it implies a very strong trend, but one which is ripe for a pullback. So, in the final analysis, while bulls remain firmly in control with fresh all-time highs and strong confirmation across volume, MACD and ADX, momentum is extremely stretched. Traders should stay long, but tighten stops or scale exposure, as froth levels in the RSI suggest that any pullback could be swift and sharp. That should be where we might see a new higher low after this higher high, and that should be a good position to enter new longs given the robust momentum of the market. Stay tuned.